Hey, what's going on? Good to see you. Hopefully your holidays, Christmas, all that stuff went well. I'm up here in Henry's in Halifax. It's a camera store. I just picked up a new lens for my camera, thanks to Dad and Mom for the Christmas gift. And I'm gonna head over to a waterfall at Miller Lake. So I'll show you guys how to get there. We'll check it out. It's just an easy one on the side of the road. I'm gonna head out of here and I'll meet you at the falls. All right, guys, I just pulled over on the side of the road on Sanctuary Drive. That's off of Perrin Drive. I'm just gonna shimmy down into the woods and we're gonna see the Miller Lake Falls. I got my new lens on my camera. I actually didn't buy it for waterfalls, but I'm gonna try it out. It's just a short hike, so I'm not really worried about it. I can see the falls right now. Another thing I want to talk about is the jacket I'm wearing. This jacket is another product from Kemimoto, and it's a winter jacket. It is powered and heated, and this thing fits amazing. It works really well, like the zipper. It's sleek. The sizing was perfect for me, and I'll quickly go over the jacket in a second. I'm at the waterfall. This is the Miller Lake Falls, so this is just a river feeding the lake, and let's take a look. That's pretty much it for the Miller Lake Falls. It's an easy one to see. It's easy to get to. If you see this nice house behind me, there's a path right across the road from it. Find somewhere to park, and there's just pretty obvious ways down to it. So if you're on your way to Halifax or something and you want to see an easy waterfall, doesn't get much easier. It's not huge, but it has a lot of water flowing on it. At least it does today. Like I said, this is the Kemimoto winter jacket. It's heated. It's if you saw my video on the vest, the heated vest, it's a similar tech. Is that going? It's similar tech to that. It's got a little portable charger, and you plug it in for a day. It charges all the way. You plug it in for a day. It charges the power bank, and then you plug that into a little hidden pocket in the jacket, and you're good to go. I'll just show you inside the jacket. Yeah, if you look inside the jacket, you can see this. There's this little inner liner pocket, and you get the little power bank. Got some thread stuck to it. You see there, a 67% power. You plug the power bank in there. There's a little USB cord in there. Pop it in. You can zip the little inner pocket shut, and then it gives you two controls, one for the front and one for the rear of the jacket. You hold the button down, it turns red. I don't know if you can see that. You hold the rear down, it turns red after you hold it down for about 5 seconds. And then almost right away, you start feeling the heat from this thing. If you are interested in a heated jacket or vest, I'll put a link to their products in the description. You can pick one up from their Amazon store, or you can probably find one locally or what have you. But I can tell you that this jacket is very good quality. It's a pretty good price. And I would strongly recommend it if you're looking for a heated jacket. If you're like me and you're in Canadian winters, then you know it doesn't get much colder than the Canadian winter, and this thing keeps me very warm. So anyway, they didn't pay me to do this review. They sent this jacket to me for free as a gift. So I'm free to say whatever I want. Guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks for sticking along. Again, I hope your holidays are going well. I wish you a happy new year, and I'll see you in the next video.